So what's the difference between a proof and an uncirculated coin? This is one of our clients' most asked questions. I made a separate video dedicated to just proof of coins, but I'll give you a summary and then discuss what uncirculated coins are. Then you can better decide which one is for you. So first, let's just talk about proof coins. They're usually struck at least twice, sometimes up to 5 times, with special dies that make their features more defined, detailed, and glossy, and their image is very sharp and very defined. So why would anyone buy proof coins? First, the appearance. As I mentioned, they're made with perfection in mind. The one extra strike gives the coins a much shinier, cleaner look, finish, and makes the intricate details of design really just pop. It's so shiny that when you look at the coin, it seems almost like a mirror. Second, they're scarce. It takes so much time and effort required to make these coins. There's not a lot of them made by the mints. Only 5 to 20% of the total amount of uncirculated coins produced in a series are proofs, making them much rarer. Third is collectibility. With their high quality presentation and rarity, proof sets are often sought after by collectors. Fourth is value. Generally speaking, proof coins have a higher relative markup than uncirculated coins. As a collector's items, proofs can be sold for more than the value of the raw precious metals they contain. They are, of course, a little bit more than an uncirculated, just bullion coin. So let's talk about uncirculated bullion coins. Uncirculated bullion coins are struck using the same method as regular circulated coins. However, there are some enhancements. One they use is a higher coining force. Second, they're usually the first batch of coins made from the die. They also have a special cleaning method, and lastly, a different kind of packaging. Depending on how beautiful the appearance is, a coin can be rated out there, MS13 or mint state subdivisions ranging from about good to perfect to all the way to MS70, which is in perfect condition. So why buy just uncirculated bullion coins? Cost for one. If you want to invest in gold and silver coins, uncirculated coins are a very cost-effective option. Since they're easier to produce than the proofs, the premiums for these coins are generally much lower than proofs. They're also very popular. Uncirculated coins appeal both to the investor and the coin collector side and all of us. They're an affordable way to invest in gold and silver coins while still guaranteeing a high level of quality. So which one is a better buy? Unfortunately, there's no answer to this. Everybody's got their own opinion about which ones are better. Depends on you. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. So the best thing to do is to call us, 877-646-5347. Talk to someone on the phone. They can give you the pricing and talk about the pros and cons. And no, we're not going to pressure you into buying gold or silver, any precious metals from us. We're here to answer questions. And if you decide to buy, we'll also be here for you. You can start your gold and silver investment here and get the free guide. Go to our website at noblegoldinvestments.com. That's noblegoldinvestments.com.